is it gonna take to get rid of this bitch? You can't get rid of me, bitch.
Back and forth with no broke ass bitch. And that song that you like, I probably wrote that shit. Know that's it. More fire, hot like Naya. Whole lot of juice, I'm the plug and the wire.
Well, hello and welcome back to my Indigo Mind. This is your host, Tyshana, and today, honey, we are going to be talking about the lie that is lives life, honey. So, sis wants us to believe that a police officer actually, fell in love with you enough to sleep with you unprotected after dealing with the bullshit you've been dealing with on these YouTube streets. He must really not watch YouTube if this is true, but I don't believe that, because no career man, no man of stature, I'm sure he is fine with this being your little thing, okay? Long as you keep me off it. Don't put me in it, don't put my name in it, don't do none of that. But to tell you the God's honest truth, I feel like she's Cappington. I feel like in a couple of weeks she's going to come back talking about how she miscarried and how she's depressed and how she's going through so much, because this is what Liv does. Over the years, she has taken so many pregnancy tests, and let's be clear here. She's married, yes, she was married then, but all of those pregnancy tests were not taken for her husband, okay? So she wants you to have respect for her she doesn't have for herself. It's the same thing with a bitch always talk about well, they want to sex for me, they don't respect me. Well, honey, if you don't respect yourself, how do you expect for anyone else to have to, want to, or feel the need to? You get me? I think a lot of the time that Liz forgets. She is, you're not the smartest, okay? You don't have, you're not the brightest crayon in the box. You have a lot with you. Like, you hurt people. You talk about people, you make people feel small, and then you have the audacity to want people to give you a respect that you are not giving, okay? You thought boxing, you're running around here giving cat to anybody. It don't really matter, they just got to give you a little attention, have a car, a little money in the bank account. And matter of fact, they ain't even got no money. They ain't even got any money. They ain't got any money. Because you'll set them up on YouTube quick. You and your girl Jasmine, y'all quick for giving a nigga a platform that ain't show and prove who the fuck he was before y'all did so. Dumb. Okay? Now you getting talked about and roasted by a man you barely knew, one, moved into your house without knowing, barely, two, and then had him around your children and got to learn all your things you do and didn't do, your lies and all of these things. So now he has ammo to go onto his platform and make you look crazy. You're not embarrassed? This is embarrassing. Why do you keep on putting yourself into these predicaments? Tell me, ma'am. Because you keep giving people ammo to talk about your retarded ways. You keep giving people ammo to have something to say about the BS that you call your life. What woman, what parent of girls would want their kids to see them looking, acting, behaving in such a manner? You're a hot, heated ass mess, Olivia. You can run around here all you want, putting makeup on a piece of shit. That don't matter, because you look good on the outside don't mean you're not fucked up on the inside. Okay? Because you are. Mentally, emotionally, physically. You are fucked. Because you rather act like it never happened, or you too big for your britches, like, oh, that shit don't bother me type shit. But it does. That's why your ass is not healing correctly. Huh? What you say? You're not healing correctly. You're not doing what a person that needs to heal from a past relationship needs to do. You need to mourn it and move the fuck on. But you rather act like it don't bother you, so therefore you're not going to heal from it. You're a special fucking kind. I keep saying that. And then wonder why people have so much to say about your shit. Don't nobody got time for you. That's why people ready to boycott your ass. Because you don't need no more attention from your bullshit ass lies. You don't need no more attention. Like, go sit the fuck down somewhere. Are you gonna be ready for this baby at least? Huh? Are you gonna have this baby ready for when they get here? Or are you going to be worried about how you provide for this one too? Come on now. Come on now. Are y'all together or together apart? Are y'all in a relationship or you just the baby mama? I need to know. Because now you ain't going to be able to just sit up here for hours and go in on Gerard like you lost your mind. Now you have two baby daddies to go in on. One supposedly a police officer. Girl, miss me, because if it is, he not gonna have none of that shit that you call yourself doing. All that yelling and screaming. Ain't no real man gonna have time for that. You sitting on no line talking about him. You should be by yourself for real. Once again, alone. Because you don't know how to shut the fuck up. Maybe this is good. Maybe this is good. It'll keep you from running your mouth about everything that goes on in your relationship. Because, darling, when you decide to record, then edit, and then put it up online, and people critique it, it's out of your hands after that. There's really nothing you can do. People gonna have opinions, honey, on whatever you do. Everybody don't do things the same way. So people gonna have opinions. You have to get a thicker skin and stop running around to every page looking at every video. It's not good for you. I'm not going to sit up here and go run to, oh, they talking about you, so I'm going to go run over there and see what they say. I could give a fuck. Because these people that are talking about me don't feed me. These people that are talking about me don't make sure I'm good every day. These people don't worry about my mental health. So I don't give not one fuck about what they think. You know what I'm saying? Like, y'all gotta really stop giving so much energy to these fucking nobodies. These bitches that sit online all night. Like, y'all got to. These hoes have no prospects. These heifers have nobody that want them. They don't have any real friends. They don't have any real connections outside of the YouTube world, which is why they sit on here for so long. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hours at a motherfucking time. Because they don't have no life, no edges, and no prospect. So therefore, why are you letting them bother you again? I'm trying to figure this out. A career that don't exist, that they keep talking about. But you see what I'm talking about? Like, these people are fucking miserable, ashy, no love having, no baby daddies wanting them. You get what I'm saying? Like, bruh, he ain't want you when you told him he was first pregnant, but you still go ahead a baby thinking he gonna want you. Sis missed me. He cheated on you while you was pregnant. He did this, he did that, but you still going after him. And then when somebody say that was dumb, oh, mind your business. No, sis. Maybe you need to mind the business that pays you, and your ass wouldn't be out here popping out kids for a nigga who don't really love you for real. Like, make it make sense. You with a whole nother nigga, fucking Jazz is with a nigga that ain't cared for from the beginning. Like, make it make sense. And then reactors are the bad guys because we calling this shit. Baby, I ain't got time. I ain't got time for none of it. You know what I'm saying? Because at the end of the motherfucking day, if you really care about yourself, if you really care about your brand, if you really care about your channel, you wouldn't be up here making yourself look like a complete and utter fucking fool. But no. No. You'd rather do just the fuck that. And then it's the reactors that are the bad guys when they giving you some advice. It's the reactors that are the bad guys when we're saying that was fucking stupid. It's the reactors though. It's the commentators though. It's those who just not gonna walk with your bullshit. You know what I'm saying? Like, they swear, they want us to walk with their bullshit so bad like the fucking masses. But no, ma'am, I'm not a she. I'm not just gonna say, okay, because I like you. I have best friends that I love down to the motherfucking ground, bitch. I will snatch your jugular if you try. But if she fucked up, I'm gonna pull her up. You know why? Because that's real fucking love and that's real fucking loyalty. And if you fucking up, I'm gonna say, hey, you're fucking up. Just like I expect the same from her. If y'all too busy running around coddling each other, that ain't real fucking friendship. That's dependency. And I'm good on it. I'm good on it. You feel me? So, I got to go, child. But tell me what you think about this down in the comments. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when I post. And if you made it all the way to the end of this video, make sure you drop those purple hearts. And if you didn't like this video, you can thumbs down and it still counts. Also, if you didn't like this video, I'm sure you'll find something that you love or of intellectual value. So, as I said, I got to go. Later for now. Bye.
They be like, yo, what the fuck is it gonna take to get rid of this bitch? You can't get rid of me, bitch.
Back and forth with no broke ass bitch. And that song that you like, I probably wrote that shit. You know that's it. More fire, hot like Naya. Whole lot of juice, I'm the plug in the wire. Hold